Jah, I love you so, yes. And I said it with no apologies. Yeah, when I wake up in the morning, yeah, I gotta pray to King Jah for his blessing and his mercy, why he restore for I and I. He makes me see, make me hear you loud and clear out there. He give me strength in me hand, in me foot, in me back. That's why Shadracq move like that. Yes. Never you underestimate the powers of Jah. Just have some faith in him. Believe in yourself. Never make nobody tell you can't make it. No. The presence of Jah always living in the midst of mankind, boy. So watch the time, watch the sign, 'cause Jah always there, mankind. Oh yes. Because I give my love to Jah, and I feel his fire within me. Yes, I pray to nobody else but Jah, because I love Jah. Yes, I give my love to Jah, because I feel his fire within me. And I pray to nobody else but Jah. Jah, I love you. Yes. 'Cause when me down and out, have no food for the youths them out. Who I have to call up and no brother, no sister, no mother, no mention father, no. I remember the words of Jah, he said knock on my door. Whoa, so every morning when I wake up, I just bang, bang, bang. Oh, when I call his name, I said I call it for long, long, long. Even under the ocean, boy, Jah give I redemption, yes. Pay attention, youth man, just be strong, yes. Yeah, and give your love to Jah, because I feel his fire within me. Yes, I pray to nobody else but Jah, because I love him. Yes, I give my love to Jah, because I feel his fire within me. I pray to nobody else but Jah, because I love Jah. Yes. Oh yeah. Be courageous and great, and Jah shall never make you wait. What goes around comes back around with greater effects. Jah help those who help themselves. Yes. The greatest motivation lives in you. Jah is waiting patiently. Just give your love to Jah, 'cause I feel his fire within me. Yes, and I pray to nobody else but Jah. Jah, I love you. Yes, I give my love to Jah, because I feel his fire within me. Yes, I pray to nobody else but Jah, because I love Jah. Oh yeah, you know I love Jah so. Yeah, 'cause when I wake up in the morning, yeah, I got to call up on Jah for his blessing and his mercy, boy. He restore for I and I. He makes me see, make me hear you loud and clear out there. So I give my love to Jah.